Say hi, Supreme. She almost feel this for Ferrari. You said a what? Ferrari?
No, the Porsche.
A Porsche, girl.
That's my favorite car.
A Porsche?
Mm-hmm.
Supreme.
This is nice. Look, they have bins and bins and bins and bins of different things.
I already found one thing I can show y'all. They got some boxing gloves for youth. 8 ounces. Gracious. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. Yeah. All right, let me keep going. Let me keep looking. They got so much shit in here. Look at this. They even got dart repellers. It's so... Look, I got a bag. That's why I didn't want to come. That's why I didn't want to come, because I'm looking for shit that, I could possibly get, but I really don't need. It's important. Promote balancing body alignment, good for foot pain. I don't got foot pain. Plantar fasciitis.
Huh?
You got plantar fasciitis?
What the fuck is that?
Something in your foot?
Yeah.
What you just... Oh, the bonnet thing?
I'm at the computer.
Oh, the two? Bro, they got everything in here. I feel like a college coach. I got this thing.
Oh, this shit.
Blowing a bag in here, but I didn't spend that much. I only got 4 things. Y'all gotta get some size 11s in here.
Choose the sizes. I wish.
Like, these are so cute. I wish they had them in my size.
Yeah, and I only have like one-offs of each one. There was a different. This one I wanted my size, but
Right. Oh, this is cute for like Halloween.
yeah. So I tried to write all the sizes on the box.
Right. And I was like, I don't even see. This the biggest one. They say a 10, and it's giving Auntie. Oh, look at this Gucci bag. This is cute. What? That is too cute.
Did I hold it?
She said, bye. I know, right? I need to.
I know the noise.
She's a good
Different noise.
Sally till I buy it. Girl, is you gonna buy it for me? Is you gonna buy it for me? All right, we about to get out of here though. We got all that wine sale. I know this stuff isn't real. There's no fucking way. Put it there.
Oh, girl.
I'm telling you, and it's in the cut. I feel like they shut down the whole parking lot just for us. What did she say? I was like, oh, this little purse is cute. This little girl gonna talk about buy it. I said I should, right? She said, buy it. I swear. That little Chinese side came out real quick.
Hurry up and buy. Hurry up and buy. Hurry up and buy.
What door?
Just getting themselves.
Right. Yo, daddy black, your mama Chinese. Yeah, but buy it. And buy it.
Look like
She's so pretty. She looked like
Janae Aiko and them
Yeah.
in the Dream Daughter.
yeah. We didn't do bad. I gotta get this trampoline now because we got the trampoline thing. Who ain't about to have fun? Who ain't about to be outside in the backyard having fun? Let me get this shit together. Y'all, so what happened was I was on the Facebook Marketplace and I found somebody who gave me a trampoline for $100, and they just was acting all fucking weird. So I just figured that they were scamming me. So I was giving them a hard time, but it ended up being not fake, and now we're here getting it. And they about to put all the stuff in the trunk. So we got a trampoline before the girls come. So that's what we doing right now, y'all. Look at that. Giving these people a hard time. So yeah. Buy your trampoline, Facebook Marketplace, always. And then always meet in the Non-disclosed location, just in case a motherfucker want to play with you and try to cut your head off. This is Atlanta. They trafficking people. Yeah, run it. It's a video. Run it. Yeah, because who ain't getting a trampoline? Run me my money. Yeah.
Period. Ooh.
Period. 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 What you talking about? Like, no shade. People in Atlanta is crazy. Come on, Supreme. And I didn't want my head cut off, huh?
How much you charge? 100. That's not bad. Thank you, babe. I think that's a goofy. Why you got your signals on to go that way, you big goofy bitch?
But yeah, it's a situation. So I'm about to get lit. Put this trampoline together. Bob the Builder. Mom the Builder. Yeah.
Furious. George head ass bitch.
Who, me? I bet you gonna have fun. You gonna get on the trampoline too. With the water.
The sun go down. Oh, okay. Oh, you did get the water thing. Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, you know, I don't play nobody eat.
You gonna get on the trampoline with the water? You gonna have a fucking blast, Supreme. Honey peach.
I don't know how much this is, but it's good.
That part.
It's good.
Ooh, a black on my.
Or we can stick to our regular Amsterdam.
Girl, I'm all.
It is, yeah.
This little is a bitch. Who about to be drunk over this?
I'm a lightweight.
What you want? Get that and then get a small. Get a small.
It don't matter.
What did you eat? Or a wine? Or a wine?
What you got?
You can get that wine and that alcohol in it.
Now that wine would have had that all that alcohol in it. Oh my god. Oh my god. About to put the fucking trampoline up. I don't know. What was it called? You know? You know what it looked like?
The fucking thing.
Is it the one when you had mixed it with the Malibu? That one? Oh.
I remember
Mind my
going there
business.
and then had
My
it.
business.
I don't know. I
Ooh.
think it
So you got the bottle. Where's my offer to that, homies? Oh, bitch! I forced some out for the homies. Or you ain't shit. And this life older next. Okay. Damn. Is there instructions? I don't need no damn instructions for no so I'm about to put this together.
No, I ain't fucking slow.
I was gonna try to put it on time lapse, make it a Mom the Builder episode, but ain't no my phone is only at 18%. All right, let me organize it. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Gotta put the screws on there, then flip it. My space on my phone because my shit clean.
This is to new love, new money, good and good health.
And God and faith.
Of
and
course,
and
God
dreams
first. And our
That don't
kids'
really
health.
count. Yeah.
Wow.
Mhm.
Yeah, our kids' health.
Period. Period. Say it.
Period. Period. Ooh.
Alright, I had a little break. I hope this how it fit. I don't know. I got the screws. He got the screws all in a little thingy. So I don't know what this go to. But we're gonna figure it the fuck out. Okay. Okay. Wait, I gotta count it. These mosquitoes, they tearing my ass up. They tearing my ass up. But put this trampoline together. Gracious on the phone. Gracious, say hi. Say hi, everybody. Let me see Sita. Show Sita real quick. Mommy gotta go in the house and change her clothes. Let me see Sita. She up there? Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Alright. I gotta change my clothes and then come back out here and finish putting this on because mosquitoes just tearing me up. Look at that big old bee right there. That's the queen bee. It's huge. Alright, I'm back. Back to it. I love you too. Say cheese. Sorry, baby. Look what the cat tracked in. Meow, meow. Look what the cat tracked in. Meow, meow. Look what the cat tracked in. Meow, meow. Look what the cat tracked in. Meow.
Who's that?
This for YouTube.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Come on. I could have kept doing the motherfucking trampoline fucking around with your ass. Front door open. Want to play with her? These bugs is tearing my ass up. But I'm letting y'all know. Y'all new to my channel. I know I ain't been really consistent like that, posting my shit. But for y'all that are OGs, and for those that watch the old videos, for real, mom in the builder out here. I really build shit. I really get it the fuck done. But these bugs is really, bitch, stop playing with me. These bugs is really fucking with me right now. These mosquitoes is vicious. I seen this meme and she was just like, every summer they coming out with new bugs. And I believe it. Right, I'm about to just finish the frame, flip it, and we going in the house. Cause they doing too much.
Hey, let's go.
Mosquitoes is crazy out here. I flipped it over. That was a whole task. Y'all seen that shit. What's going on? Attention, still selling her. Is that my bestie in a Tessie?
She said that her car could drive by itself too. She did it on the way to Tennessee. She said about, I'm like, how long? She's about the whole way there. She was about to try to do it while I'm in the motherfucking car. No, ain't about to drive me. That's not how it's supposed to work. You ever seen that movie where the car interfered and took control and took them where he wanted it to go? Nah. Made you off the edge of a fucking building into a fucking bridge. Stop playing. No.
It's breaking by itself.
No, the car is... Oh!
It's breaking by itself.
No, bruh. Cynthia, please. Cynthia. See, you playing. Oh, no. We going too fast around this motherfucking bend. Hell no. Don't ever do that shit again. Oh, no. No. Hell nah. My fucking asshole just went to my fucking feet. Hell nah.
You asking questions about it?
On a curve. Why would you try it while we're on a fucking... Cynthia, no.
It's doing it by itself.
Hell no. She fucking dancing like this shit is a fucking game. Ooh. My heart is in my fucking asshole. Ooh. That shit is not funny. Oh my gosh.
I ordered this one actually to pick up some, like, where was I at though? I think I was coming from.
Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy at? You're supposed to twerk when I say that.
Oh.
The shake for you, baby. Ah. Period. Period.
Oh, actually, you need the cracker things.
The what? The cracker things?
Yeah, the crack.
Talking about who ain't gonna have leftovers.
Ain't it?
Ooh.
That's my shit.
Thank you.
Some hair?
That's a net. Hair net.
Oh.
Out with my sugar daddy. Out with my sugar mama. And then what? How old is you?
For me?
Yeah.
I'm 5 months older than you.
No, I thought you said he was 40.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
45.
I'm 52. Going on 53.
When your birthday? What's your sign?
What's your sign? I'm a Scorpio.
Freak hoe.
You know how to open door?
No. Do I know how to open the door? Open. See? Don't put that automatic shit on no more. You heard?
Huh?
Don't put that automatic shit on no more.
Just so we're clear before I get it.
Just before. Because I can walk. Ooh, that was good. Thank you so much.
It was good.
What else is there to really clean? I could do that. I could do their room. I could do their room floors and stuff.
You might just go home and take a nap though. And wake up. Go to sleep like 6 hours, you be straight.
10, 11, 12. No, I don't need
Wake up
that.
at 5
I could bust out their room in their playroom.
and then take a nap.
Yeah. Just love life. Waste the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me when my face look bad from last time you seen me.
I can't really tell.
Oh, wait a minute, I couldn't do it right. I'm like 182. But it's bad for you. Oh, let me tell you this.
Yeah, that's the end of Tessie. I gotta take a shit. Let me tell y'all one thing I noticed, y'all. Oh, wait a second. Let me get upstairs. I'm gonna take a shit. Wait a second. Y'all can take a shit with me, but let me get upstairs. It is currently 12:48. I'm about to lay down, take me a little cat nap, get up and finish. They're probably like 9 hours away. So yeah. I'm gonna be vlogging, so I'll see y'all in a little.